Pack without wasting space. Packing for a trip can be one of the most daunting tasks that you will ever encounter in your lifetime. It is very hard to fit everything that you need in suitcases. Packing requires great skill in maximizing available space. Women in particular pack a lot of things, even those that they do not really need, but bring them anyway just in case. If you have limited bag space and you have a lot to put into it, this may be a dilemma. Packing without wasting any space can be hard. This article will give you tips on how to pack your bags without wasting any precious space. Read on and in no time you will be ready for your trip. First off, lay all the things that you will bring on the bed. This way, you will know how big your suitcase should be. Take out the luggage with the right size. If you are leaving for a few days, a medium-sized luggage will do the work. If it will take you a week or more out of town, a large one is required. After all, you do not want to leave anything behind. Fold your clothes in a way that they do not take up too much space. Fold them such that they occupy as little space as possible. You cannot avoid having your clothes wrinkled along the trip. Your hotel can provide you an iron for you to use. You can also wrap them in vacuumed plastic so that they will become even smaller and space-saving. Place them on the center of the suitcase. You still have the sides of the luggage to tuck in your underwear. For your underwear, roll them up so you can fit them on the sides of the luggage. Once you have placed your clothes in the luggage, tuck your underwear on the sides until you have filled them all. Pack your shoes in canvas bags individually. There are canvas bags that you can buy where you can keep your shoes. If you are bringing a number of pairs, pack them by pair in the canvas bags. Place them on top of the clothes so that they do not get crushed during the trip. Use Ziploc bags for your toiletries. Gather all your toiletries, toothbrush, toothpaste, razor, shampoo, etc., in one transparent Ziploc bag. You can put them in the side or front pockets of the suitcase. Before heading out the door, make sure that you have everything you will need inside your suitcase. It always pays to double-check your bag before leaving so that you will know if you still have anything left unpacked. Now that you have mastered the art of packing your suitcases, the next time you pack your things for another trip will be much easier. Packing takes a lot of patience. Do not forget to bring another bag for the souvenirs that you will be taking home with you. Good luck on your trip.